Slow motion can instantly make your videos look more professional, and in CapCut it only takes a few taps. First open the CapCut app and tap New Project. Now choose the video you want to edit from your gallery and tap Add. Once your video appears on the timeline, tap on the video clip. At the bottom menu, scroll a little and tap Speed. Now tap Normal to slow down the entire video. If it feels too slow or unnatural, adjust the speed again until it looks smooth.
I think that's the Empire State Building, honey.
Wow, it's bigger than I thought.
Videos recorded in higher quality usually looks better in slow motion. Once everything looks good, tap Export in the top right corner and save your video.